Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to array, mirror, and morph your design catalog units. I'll be working on the floor layout using my hotel catalog. First, let's look at array. You'll see I've put down one family suite unit on my floor layout, and now I want 6 family suites in an array. So what I can do is simply hit the duplicate button, input that I want 6 units, easily draw it out, and then I very simply can just get a copy of all 6 family suites on my floor layout. Now let's take a look at mirroring. I have a set of single queen units in this initial solve, and now I want to mirror them to match up my wet walls. So what I can do is simply select the units I want to mirror, hit my flip button, and very easily I'm able to flip these units to match up the walls. And remember, these aren't just colored blocks, these are fully embedded BIM data that we're able to flip with the click of a button. Moving on to morphing, Skema has a unique ability to push and pull and stretch units to fit into your design. There are 2 ways to morph. One way is to place a unit into your floor layout and then simply just drag or push one of the walls of this unit to fit into this new space. And you can see as I do that, the unit itself is stretching to this new shape, and the interior elements are also stretching, such as the bathroom or the closet in this king suite. The second way to morph a unit is to create a custom space or custom geometry in your floor layout and then add your catalog unit to it. In this case, I have an unusual L-shaped space that I want to be a king room. So what I can do is go in, select the exact king I want to apply to this new space, and then let Skema stretch or morph the king suite to this new custom space. There's even more to morphing than what I'm showing here. Check out the Ask Alex video that's a deep dive into Skema's unique morphing capabilities. But utilizing all these functionalities, you're able to create smart, clean, and concise layouts while utilizing your Skema design catalog.